here in San
That's the
Francisco,
same sign
California.
too. They probably are managed by the same company.
Yeah, they're all city-owned garages.
Oh, makes sense.
These were OTIS elevators with GAL. They had colored GAL Jet Plus. They've been completely modernized. Oh wow. Look at that.
Going up.
Going up.
Were these something even before the Otis with GAL mod?
I don't know.
What's this garage called?
Moscone Center.
What center?
Moscone.
Moscone? Weird.
A toll.
Basement. Going up.
Huh? Gosh, it's weird. Jeez, San Francisco loves the toll.
Sixth floor.
Oh yeah, they did. Look.
Oh, that's
artwork.
really cool.
Someone made some artwork around these fixtures
Oh,
a while
that's
ago.
cool.
It doesn't really fit this anymore, but
Yeah, it looks kind of
you
weird.
send it.
That's actually kind of cool.
Just send it down.
Send it down.
Going down.
A little face there. That was more work.
Ooh.
Not worth a shot.
Yeah, I think these were something before the GAL mod. These are probably like black buttons because of the door frames.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, you're right.
Here it is. Yeah.
Going down.
Going down.
Yeah. Very basic model.
First floor.
Wow, it takes a while to go.
Page 4. So probably wasn't